So in this video I am going to make a restoration of this old Gameboy Classic, and it's a Game Boy that has seen its better days. It's a bit beat up, but it's still working. As you can see, it has lost its screen, or the screen glass, and the old glue residue is still there. So I will fix that, and as you can see I will get the glue residue off first. So I chose to scrape it off using some plastic tools, and these are like mobile phone repair tools, and this can scratch the plastic surface a little bit, but since I'm replacing the screen and it doesn't get very scratched, I think, and you don't see it anyway, I think this method is fine. So that is what we will start with, and then later on I will go through this screen replacement procedure as well. So when the glue residue is removed, it is time to attach the new screen. I ordered 2 screens, one in plastic and one in glass, and I ordered the plastic one as a backup in case the glass screen would break in the mail. But I also wanted to see if it looked better with the kind of light gray plastic one or the black glass screen. Both survived the mail, so that was good. And as you can see, the light kind of gray or gray screen or glass screen kind of looks okay, but I think this black screen looks better. And this is not the original color, since this is black, and I think the original screen was kind of dark gray, so this is different from the original. But I think it looks good anyway, and I couldn't find a nice dark glass screen, so I think this was a good option. So here I'm just trying to see how they both fit, and I think the plastic one was fitting really well to the screen. And I just ordered these on AliExpress, and they were quite cheap, and so I was a little bit unsure about this glass one because it wasn't fitting as much, but then it had also more like tape strips on the back, so I thought it was that was like preventing it from being a good fit. But either way, I decided to use the glass screen since I thought that would be nicer. The glass screen I think might be more like durable probably, or has a good transparency and so on. So here it's like 2 layers, like one mid layer of that was also glued. So I'm not sure what they were thinking, that you were going to glue the screen on the LCD screen. I chose not to do that, but just to use the glue and the adhesive that was around the screen. So it was a little bit fiddly to get this stuff off, but yeah, so this is the part of the screen that I was going to use, and the part in the middle I was just going to remove. So I just removed that. And I think it will stick to the Game Boy pretty good anyway. So I guess that's pretty much all I can say about this process. It takes a little bit of patience and being a little bit careful and not get other things stuck to the adhesive, but overall it wasn't a big, or wasn't very difficult to get this screen in place. And since it fits very nicely in the frame, it's just to position it and press it down. So that was it. It is not mint condition, but I think it's a great improvement, and it wasn't very difficult to do, so I enjoyed this slight restoration, and I hope to do more in the future. Thank you for watching.